Hello YouTube, I'm back after a short break, and today we're going to put headlight adjusters in the C10. All of them brand new, because God knows 40 something year old, well 38, 39 year old plastic breaks. As a matter of fact, the other day I was driving my C10 and one of the headlights fell down because it broke an adjuster. So without further ado, let's get to it. As you can see, we have 3 good headlights and a lazy eye. So we'll pop the hood. There's 2 screws there, 2 screws in here, and let's get to it. Here we have my not yet a piece of shit average example of a C10 that's not that rotted. She got a little hole there in the cab corner and some rust around the edge of the doors, and of course, you know, a little rust in here, both sides. Other than that, she's clean as a whistle, to be honest. So well, today I might have to hold you because I got nothing to put you on, but let's try to do this one-handed. So you got a lot of guys doing on YouTube, but anyway, better switch to my dominant hand. I already took the 2 bolts out here. There's one here and there, and this is a pretty simple thing, especially if you've already been in one of these. Different years, different front ends, different ways of getting to these, but I'm pretty sure they all have the same headlight adjusters. But there's one here, and the one that's broken is here, and there's one on each side, and the spring holds the corner in there. So I'll bring in here. I'm gonna try to open these adjusters up all the way. Of course, the top one's broken, like I said. So, and these like to hold, it's like a cup within a cup, and on the back of these, they like to hold a lot of dirt. It's beautiful. But if you clean them out when you change these, you'll be all right. They're super fine threaded. Well, these are the lovely new ones I bought, and they snap in, and I've unscrewed this one because I snap them in, and you have to snap them in, and then you have to put this slot on this screw right about there. It feeds in to there as such. I put a little bit of never sees here and a little bit of never sees there. Same on that. And I'm gonna go get that because I forgot it. I'll be right back. Well, then yeah. Jam them in like that. There you got them. As you can see, there's a spring here, 2 adjusters for left, right, up, and down, and they contact with this spot, in this spot, that spot. So I like to put a, you can see where they hit here. I like to clean them off and put a little anti-seizurant on there. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a brush. This really isn't all that necessary, but I like to clean the contacts off. Just a little bit. Just so I can think it makes it slide easier, which it probably doesn't. And then take a little bit of this anti-seize. Think. Whoopsie daisy. Then a little bit for these guys. I like to put it on one and then kind of roll it between two. But mustn't forget about the two places where the bolts screw in. I like everything to be, a little bit of friction free and pain free later on. There we go. Nice and free now. Spring just hooks right in there. In the butt. There we go. Make sure she's in there. She does her job. And then you send your screws in. And that's how easy it is. I need to adjust these anyway, so I'll probably adjust them tonight. But I'll do those two. Then I'll do these two. Well, this other one. So, from the day after Christmas to you. See you next time.